Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. I hope you guys miss me. I've been away for a while, but I'm back. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful lick. Step by step, taps the whole 9 yards. Show reel! Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful arpeggio with this little lick in there in between. If you want to play along, I'm tuned to D standard. So tune your guitar to that. To continue, you can pause the video and look step by step and see what I'm doing right there. So what I'm going to take the time now is to explain you how we do the right hand in synchronicity with the left hand. We do an E minor arpeggio. So we grab the little portion here in the top. Actually we have 4 notes. And it's going to be... So we do that, but we start like this. In 19, downstroke, and then pull off 15. And then we do sweeping all the way up. So we're doing this, down. So in that little portion right there, we're doing alternate picking. Once again, alternate picking, and then sweeping, alternate picking, all right, so we do alternate picking, sweeping, alternate picking. And then we do the arpeggio. Once we get to the 3rd string, when we do it, we're going to do this part 3 times. Now the finger in here. So we're playing B, G, so pinky and your index. Your 2nd finger on fret 17 on the 2nd string. And then the middle finger, the pinky again on E, B with the index, and then your middle finger on G on the 6th string, and then index finger on E. Again. Now you can do this in different ways. You can use the same lick. Or you can do it on for example, D minor. So you have a sequence of arpeggios. They're major, minor, diminished, whatever. So you can apply the same concept in different parts of the neck. You can do A minor, for example. Many different ways, but you can apply the same concepts for each one of them. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram. I'm on TikTok as well. You get to look at Gheeyeh. Subscribe, give me the thumbs up, leave your comments down below, please. That will help me a lot. Find out what you guys are interested in, because YouTube is all about what you guys want to see. All right? So thank you very much, and see you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh. Shredding with me. Show real.